Hey guys, in this quick 2025 tutorial, I'll show you how to download and set up the Sendwave app on both iPhone and Android step by step. First, grab your phone. For iPhone users, open the App Store, search for Sendwave Money Transfer, tap Get, and then install. And then open the app once it finishes downloading. For Android users, open the Google Play Store and then search Sendwave Money Transfer, tap install, and then open the app after installation. Then let's set it up. Tap create account, enter your phone number, and verify it using the code sent to you. Fill out your name, email, and address. Add your debit card or payment method. Choose the country you want to send money to. You're now ready to send your first transfer. Just enter the recipient's details and confirm. And that's how to download and set up the Sendwave app on iPhone and Android in 2025. If this helped you get started fast, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.